MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Tony, we're here on behalf of Victor CNC. You recently bought 2 machines from them. Tell me why you went for their machines.
Well, we acquired Spensalls 6 months ago, and when we arrived, we do actually have Victor machines on site. So when we bought the company, it came with some Victor machines. I've been fortunate enough to own some other businesses in the past that have also owned Victor machines. So I know Victor of old, and they are really high quality machines. Price-wise, they're right on the money. In terms of technical capacity and ability for what we do within Spensalls, it's really the perfect machine for us in terms of what it offers machining wise and fiscally as well. It's a really nice balance.
Okay, well what we can do now is we'll pop into the machine shop and we'll go and have a look.
Excellent.
So Gareth, you're the manufacturing manager here at Spensalls. Yep. We've got 2 cells behind us. We've got the machining centre or the milling cell, yep, and then you've got turning as well. Yep. Both of which have Victor machines, and they're the only machines there. Yep. So why is that? What do you like about the Victor machines?
I mean, with the Victor machines, they're very robust machines, and with the materials that we're cutting, such as Inconel, duplex, we need a robust machine, so heavy cuts, stability, precision, less vibration, and that's why we go with Victor.
So because you're in the oil and gas market, it is difficult materials.
Yeah.
You need that extra bit of oomph in the machine themselves.
Yeah. The V70 is the latest purchase.
Okay.
Similar to the 102, just a bit smaller, and it's only a 3-axis, whereas the 102 is a 4-axis.
And when did these machines come in, or the last machines come in that you bought?
Just before Christmas, so December 2014.
And I know you've got a 4th axis unit on one of them.
Yep.
That's obviously to do additional axes work.
Yep.
Do you do a lot of machining where it's a little bit more complex than traditional 3-axis?
Yes, most definitely, yeah. So we've got the chuck, which is rotating around the C-axis, that allows us to do additional axis work, yeah.
And do you make the decision on these machines, or is it a collective? Is everybody really...
Yeah, most definitely a collective decision by senior management. You know, a lot of efforts put into, research and development, yeah.
All right, let's go and have a closer look at the machines.
Yeah, no problem.
So this is a job you're doing on the machine?
Yeah, and this is quite a popular job at Spensalls. It starts off as a disc, we'll face the length on the manual machine.
Yeah.
And then it'll go to our EDM section where we'll wire this profile out.
Right.
It'll come to the VMC like this, and then we'll turn these legs down and also drill and ream a hole down the centre of both legs.
And although it looks like a small part, that type of material is not easy to machine, is it?
No.
And to maintain accuracy.
Yeah. No vibration issues, that's the reason for the Victor, the stability and the robustness.
Yeah.
To minimise vibration and
give you a good part.
Give us a good part with a good finish.
Yeah. This turning cell is really well laid out here, Gareth. We've got 3 Victor turning centres.
Yeah.
Talk me through the machines that you've got.
Well, here we've got the V26, which is a bar feed machine, up to 2.5 inch on the bar feed. We've got the V36 over here, which has got a capacity of 24 inch. So the big parts generally put through this machine. We don't really go up to 24 inch, more like 10-12 inch is our normal feed of parts through that machine. And this is the newest machine, the A20, which has also got a bar feed up to 2.5 inch. And it's a quick turn, 2-axis lathe, cutting Inconels, duplexes.
You mentioned the materials, but what sort of depths of cut are you doing? How fast are you machining?
So we're looking at, depending on the size of the material, but on average, 3-4 mil depth of cut, 0.1 feed.
Okay, so quite a lot of metal removal.
Yes, yeah.
Now, there seems to be a theme here, and it's based very much around Victor.
Yeah.
We've spoken about the machining centres, but what does prompt you, or what did prompt you to go for the Victor lathes?
I mean, Victor lathes, from history, we've had these 2 machines roughly 8 years. It's a robust machine, and that's what is required. A heavy-duty machine for cutting these types of materials like Inconels, duplexes. I mean, they're a local company based in Rochdale, so regarding maintenance issues, support, they're always at hand, and we can get, quick turnaround on problems resolved. Yeah.
And you've got a bar feed on this one, so you're actually doing more production runs.
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah, this replaced an old machine that's just large batches, small components, large batches generally go through this machine.
Gareth, you started at the company 6 months ago when it was founded. What brought you here?
I mean, when I came for an interview here and I met Tony, the investment Tony was going to give to Spensalls, the vision, the values, the whole, change of the place, that sold it to me.
And to date, everything is happening, that is happening?
Yeah, it's all going quickly and we're moving in the right direction. Yeah.
For more videos, products and news, go to MTDCNC.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.